The ePacker learning platform is out of the oven.
It brings together groups of professional bakers, future bakers, and college students as future production managers all in one place.
Video lessons, live webinars, tests and rewards are given to the best ones.
There are 3 different levels of registration.
Lecturers are Lasafr experts, best bakers of Serbia, industry segment production managers and reps from Ministry of Agriculture and Bakers Union.
This new normal gathers current and future decision makers from the craft and industry segments online in one place.
Customer relationship, stakeholders promotion, Lasafr expert positioning, and best students as the best HR selection for industry segment.
We managed to develop the idea from scratch and launch the platform with the upgrading potential to suit our changing needs. Target groups and content formats are the same in all countries.
Price friendly and creativity is more than obvious.